Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Today we've got a little accessory thing that you can accompany your diamond paintings, and you get two boxes for a £5, and as you can see, very nicely wrapped in here. And what you get in here is you get yourself a sheet of stickers, as you can see, for labelling and kitting up your boxes. Very nicely cellophanes in here, and in here you get your little drill boxes to put all your things in. These are slightly different ones because you have to push in to release the clip there, but basically I love working with these because you've got the little lids. You can put all sorts in here, screws, you know, pins, staples, drills, but they work a treat for drills, and obviously you get two of them and the stickers for a £5. You can't get any more than that. I do like to get the big ones that have a massive lid, and you get two of them. Whoops, I didn't intentionally do that. And you get two of them in this massive box thing. But I have tried the higher up, you know, the ones that are a bit longer than this, but I don't get on with them very well, so I love doing these. I didn't really want to buy any more, but you know, some have over the years got old and needed to be replaced, and they've got cracks, so I needed to get some more. But yeah, the thing is with diamond painting, guys, is the more you buy diamond paintings, the more boxes you need, the more stickers you need, you know. So yeah, so I hope you liked that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. There'll be more diamond painting coming to the channel very soon, and I will see you next time. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell notification if you want to ring my bell. That made no sense. If you want to tap the bell, you'll be notified of all the videos I do. Have a lovely day, take care, and I'll put the link of this in the description of the video below, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys, bye.